Hello friends, welcome back to Press Start Living. Today we're going to enter the AI revolution. I'm going to introduce a text to video program, and it's on a website called InVideo Ai, and it's a great video program because it takes all the pain out of editing and all the pain out of creating your videos. It responds to simple text prompts, and you can give it a text prompt and it'll produce the video for you. Usually when you want to find this website, you can type InVideo Ai and it'll take you to this website. But with the affiliate link in my description or this video description, you can get an extra 50 minutes or double the time that you can use to create videos on your InVideo account. So do use the link below. They have an active 25 million users already. And it's a great program to use because it is so simple and it does all of the hard work for you, but you also have full control of your video as well. So let's have a look at how we use this video, okay? And we will walk through the steps together and see if you like what we're going to do. We're going to use an example of making a YouTube Shorts video to see how it can do something that simply responds to a typed prompt, which I will give it a topic for. So let's have a look at the pricing. You can have a free account, which allows you to have 10 minutes of free playing around. You can try that out first. But then I went for the plus version, the plus level, which is $20 a month, or if you pay monthly, it's $25 a month. And that allows you to have the things that you can see below, 50 minutes of video that you can create in a month. And then also those other things as well. The assets that you can use as well, they have standard videos, images, and also sounds and also voices that you can choose to make your video. And then there's the upper strata as well. So today we're going to go in and have a look at this version of it. So once you create an account, you follow the link in my affiliate link, and then you can follow that and create an account. Once you get in, you'll see that I have populated it with lots of videos already. And then you can also have a media library, which is a collection of images and things that I placed in there when I was creating my videos. So this allows you to create your own video, and you can customize to however you like after the AI has come up with a draft for you. Now let's have a look. That's my cloned voice. Okay, it's easy to follow the instructions to clone your voice. You simply upload a short piece of sound of you speaking, and that will be able to create the cloned voice. So it sounds like you speaking, but it's actually following a script that the AI created. So I'm going to create a YouTube Shorts, and when you press on that, you're going to be able to apply some settings. Okay, for example, you can type in the topic that you want to create. You can choose the voice that you want to use, and you want to choose whether you have subtitles on your video. And these are some of the settings that you can create or choose while you create your video. So I'm going to choose, don't need to choose the voice, okay, because I've specified that I'm using my cloned voice. I do want subtitles, and I want to use this video as a, do I want to use the iStock footage? You'll see the difference when you play around with it. So simply press the button to go ahead and make the video. The first thing that it does is that it analyzes what it is that you actually need. So it goes through your prompt, it sees whether it has the videos that you want to use or the footage or the media, and if it's okay, it'll come up with a choice here for you to confirm the style, you know, the direction that you want to use, also the look and feel of the video. And you can play around with these as you make more videos so that you know the differences between them. Once you press continue, you get this white screen, which is the program actually doing the hard work for you. So it will work out the chapters, it'll work out the different scenes that will go into the video, and you can use this time to have a coffee and relax. So I'm making a short video. So YouTube Shorts only last 1 minute. So, oh, there we go. It's already done. So it will give you a preview like this.
Welcome to Singapore, a city that never ceases to amaze. First stop, the iconic Marina Bay Sands, a marvel of modern architecture. Next, the gardens by the bay, where nature meets the future. Don't miss the vibrant nightlife in Clark Quay. And finally, taste the diversity in the bustling hawker centers. Singapore, a tiny city with a big heart. Come explore, be surprised, and leave with memories that last a lifetime.
And if you're not happy with any part of that video, you can go into the edit, press edit, and then you can see that each of the scenes are itemized out for you. So you can choose any of those scenes and make any adjustments. For example, you can see that each sentence that it says is attached to a scene. Now, I wasn't happy to see so many nighttime scenes, so I wanted to change one of them into a daytime scene as well. So I could choose the one that I want to choose or change, and then go down to media and have a look to see if there's any better daytime Singapore video footage that I could use in this video. So there are so many different types of footage for that are available, so it's great. You can just take your time and have a look and choose what you want. So you can take your time and choose what you like, okay, and then make the adjustments to your video. You can also choose to play it again, so you can preview the video that you've just corrected. It takes a little bit of time to process again and to give you the updates, but now you can see that the video has been updated. But don't worry, if there are any watermarks on the video, they will be taken out if you have a paid subscription. So don't worry that if you see some watermarks on there or some InVideo logos, they will disappear once you export it as an MP4. So now I'm exporting. You press the export button and you can export it as an MP4, and that will save to your computer. Now, once that's done, you can go and check. At the top right where your icon is, you can look in how many minutes you have left, how much storage you have used, and how much of the iStock paid, or the value videos that you can use, the footage that you can use, how many of those you've used. Here's my video in the downloads folder. I double click on it and let's have a look at how it looks. So it's playing on my Windows Media Player. So again, this is just a snippet of the video done. So that's it, guys. Give that a go. Again, remember to use the affiliate link down below in the descriptions, because you'll get an extra 50 minutes in the first month, which is really valuable for just pumping out videos and trying things out and experimenting. Thanks for joining the channel. Press Start Living. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, stay safe, and let's see you in the next one. Thanks very much, everyone.